Rashaan, it's great to see you again, mate. And Anthony, it's a pleasure to meet you. But this has got me most excited.
Look, it's an absolute work of art. This is the Tesla Powerwall 2, one of the latest and greatest pieces of battery technology.
How much power can a Tesla Powerwall actually save?
Well, it stores 13.5 kilowatt hours of power, right? So that usually enables a property to look after their nighttime consumption in most cases.
The reason I asked about how much energy you need to know how to store is because we've got a lovely family. They've got quite a big home. They're thinking about renovating. What size system do you think a family of 4 would probably need?
You're probably looking at around about 20 to 30 kilowatt hours of power they're using per day. We break that down to the system size, which is usually about 6 to 8 kilowatts of solar. And then depending on how they use power, so using more during the day or at nighttime, we'll then size them up with a battery to look after their nighttime consumption. Every house is different, all right? So we do take our time to ensure we ask them the right questions and not just thinking about now, but we have future in mind. So we're designing the system to ensure that you've got everything you need moving forward.
Is there a way that we can get them a quote to work out how much a system like this would cost?
What we'll do next is jump onto our website and check out our solar quoting tool. We'll punch in the information from the family and get some quotes from some local installers.